In this video I'm gonna be custom painting my first ever art toy. So lately I'm pretty obsessed by all these designer toys, so I got myself a couple of these bad boys that I can paint, and yeah, I am pretty excited about it, so I suggest we jump right into it. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future art videos. And with that being said, enjoy the video. Let's do this! Of course, I'm not gonna start smashing paint on this thing before I'm actually prepared, so I'm gonna create some quick sketches, some quick designs, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Alright, so I sketched a bunch of designs, also tried out my favorite designs on the toy itself, because the tricky part is the designs looked good on paper, but as soon as I applied it on the toy itself, the three-dimensional shapes from the toy made the designs sometimes look pretty odd. But I know what to do now, so we can go over to the next part, and that's spray painting.
Clear out the room, I'm coming through, they wanna see what I'm about. Yeah, I got skills, do it for the thrill, I'm on a paper route. Extra, read about it. I'm today's trending topic. I put commas over bullshit. Yeah, I put that on mamas. They tryna block all my blessings. They thought I lost a stepping. I bet on me and my team.
And I'm done. Okay, I have everything within reach now, so ladies and gentlemen, we can start the painting process.
A few moments later.
I mean, yeah, I was definitely procrastinating. I seriously need to start now. Why is that always the hardest part? Let's get my shit together.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus.
Okay, it's really difficult working on this curved surface.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me.
Just like that, the main feature for this work is done. And to be honest, I couldn't be more happy. The design and the colors, it worked out beautifully. I'm really happy so far. So now, let's paint some clothes for this dude.
Wonder if all my bad decisions get accounted in the algorithms. No statistician could dissuade me from my bigger vision. I know my occupation's quite an unlikely place in this world to occupy and talk about upon a daily basis. Our information's predetermined by some biased business. We all in sermon to Silicon that push out lovely neighbors. I'm done with paper chasing, think I'm on the bigger banquets.
We're slowly getting there. I think with one more painting session I can finish it. Alright, I'm pretty much done here. Only two small things remaining, and that's signing my work and applying a good protection layer. So this was basically how I custom painted my first ever art toy. And then I also painted a second one off camera. And before I show you a proper reveal, I want to inform you that I actually put these two art toys for sale on my website. And I don't put out a lot of original art, so if you're interested in an original Bamsway, this is your chance, I guess. And of course you'll find a link to my website in the description below. So with that being said, thank you for watching, guys, and then we see each other very soon in a new video. Take care.